back to my channel. If this is your very first time of seeing my face, you're welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a GELE tutorial. I've realized that not a lot of people know how to tie GELE, especially to weddings, parties and stuff. So I just want to use this video as just a mini tutorial of how to tie GELE in 2 ways. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The next clip you're going to be seeing is the GELE tutorial.
Alright, so hi guys. Today we'll be doing a one-sided fan GELE. So it's going to be 50-50. The GELE size will be 50-50. So let's go. So I'm going to pleat 5 pleats. So I'll ask her to hold this side. And then I pleat and then take it to the back. Not forgetting to take my pleat also from the back to the front, so I don't lose any pleat at all. Your essence is for me to get a very good finishing. Yes, it's even shaking. So I'm also taking this to the back, but this I will be folding it, making sure my pleats are in place. So this I will be folding this side. And then I place it on the last pleat. Remember I pleated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I place it on the 5th pleat on my GELE. And then I take this side and then start from the other last pleat and take it all the way. This one. I'm placing it on top to get my pleats. And then I take it behind, still going with my pleats. Make sure you don't lose any of the pleats you've been building already. So you know I said I'll be doing a one-sided fan. So from here, I'll cut and then start getting my fan. So depends on how you want the fan to be. Your fan can be much, it can be small. So depends on what you want or what the client wants. We'll turn my pleats or my GELE. To the back, and then I use my pin. So then I come back to the front and bring out all my plates that are hidden. and turning it to the back. So, yeah. So, if you have any question, you can leave it on the comment section. So you can either have the gele on the left or on the right, depending on how you want your gele to be. So anyone works fine. Anyone that you feel you'll be comfortable slaying, then please do. So till next time, thank you for tuning in. And if you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and subscribe, and also like and comment on the look plus the gele. Thank you very much. Love you.